Good morning, dear students. Today we will start part 2 of our chapter Storage and Memory Devices. Dear students, in the previous video we have studied internal memory. Today we will start from external memory. External memory is that memory which is kept outside the computer. You know, internal memory was inbuilt memory and external memory is kept outside the computer. It is a device that is used to store information for a longer period. Data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off. The external memory is essential because the internal memory of a computer has a limited storage capacity. External memory is also called secondary memory. Dear students, you know why external memory came into existence? Because there was a limitation of internal memory, and that limitation was that internal memory has a limited storage capacity. To overcome this limitation, external memory came into existence. Next is storage devices. In our daily life, we use many storage devices such as cupboard, bookshelf, refrigerator, school bag, etc. to store various relevant items in them. A computer also uses various storage devices to store data in them, which vary in storage capacity. Example: hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. These are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. So, we will see some storage devices. First one is hard disk. It is the main storage medium for computers. It is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can hold a large amount of data. Hard disk can store up to 8 TB of data. 8 TB means 8 terabyte of data. As you can see in this picture, this is a hard disk. This disk is kept inside the CPU box. Next one is CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin, shiny, circular disk that can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images, and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software. Students, many of you have used CD in your homes for watching movies, for listening songs, for playing games, etc. DVD. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is also an optical storage device used for storage and for recording movies with higher video and sound quality than a CD. The storage capacity varies from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Dear student, the only difference between the CD and DVD is of their storage capacity. DVD can store more data than a CD with more higher quality of video and audio. Next one is Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical disc format that can store up to 128 GB of data. The name Blu-ray disc is derived from the blue-violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. Students, derived मतलब जो ये ब्लू-रे डिस्क है ये ब्लू-वॉयलेट लेज़र नाम से लिया गया है और इसका यूज़ हम क्यों करते हैं? अगर हमें कोई डाटा को रीड करना है या राइट करना है. Next one is a flash drive. It is popularly known as pen drive and the most popular data backup device. It is a plug and play device and can be connected to the USB portal. Students, plug and play device means that you put this device in the USB port of your computer, and after completing your work you can easily move it out. Next one is, it is a small, lightweight and removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. A flash drive can store up to 2 TB of data. It provides a permanent medium to store data and files from the attached device. Next one is memory card. A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital and music players. It can be easily removed from these devices and attached to a computer to access the card. These devices transfer images and music files into a computer by using a memory card reader that can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. Students, you know that in mobile phone you can directly insert a memory card, but if you want to attach a memory card to the computer, you have to first use a memory card reader. You first put a memory card in memory card reader, and then memory card reader is connected to the computer through a USB cable. After that you can transfer the data to the computer or from computer to the memory card. Next is computer ports. A computer port is a connection point or interface between a computer and an external or internal devices. Internal ports may connect devices like hard drive and CD-ROM or DVD drive, whereas external ports connect external devices like modem, printer, mouse and other devices. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इंटरनल पोर्ट आपके सीपीयू के इनसाइड होते हैं, जहाँ पे आप कोई हार्ड डिस्क रखते हो या फिर कोई सीडी रखते हो या डीवीडी ड्राइव रखते हो. बट जो आपके एक्सटर्नल पोर्ट्स होते हैं उनको आप एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस से कनेक्ट करते हो, जैसे आपकी प्रिंटर की केबल हो गई, आपकी माउस की केबल हो गई या फिर कोई अदर डिवाइसेस. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, देयर इज़ ए माउस पोर्ट, input device or keyboard port, printer port, monitor port, USB port. These all ports are external ports. Thank you.